Planning for your hike is a vital part of staying safe on the mountain and should reduce the risk of requiring help from the emergency services. In your backpack, you should include adequate food and water for your hike. A warm drink should also be included, and also snacks like dried fruit and energy snacks like chocolate. Bring extra clothing, a number of light layers that can be used if the weather deteriorates and which will help you to stay dry. Basic navigation tools are essential, especially when hiking off waymarked routes. This includes a map and a compass. Ensure you know how to use both. A fully charged mobile phone is also vital, both to make contact and also as a device which can provide you with your position through GPS. An additional charging unit is useful, fully charged as well. You should also pack a first aid kit, a torch and whistle. Sunscreen and medication may also be required. Make sure that a friend knows you are going for a hike and ensure you have each other's mobile phone numbers and that both are charged. Tell your friend what route you plan to take and what time you expect to return. You should also say how many people are in your group and instruct them who to contact or what to do if you don't return by the appointed time. Consider the experience and capabilities of your walking group. Check the weather forecast before you set out, learn how to administer first aid, and be prepared. If the weather deteriorates, always be ready to turn back. There will be plenty of other opportunities to hike safely.